Welcome to Let's Play Solitaire, and thanks for watching. Today we're going to tackle a random game. Let's go ahead and get started. Maybe we can learn a new trick or two. First things first, I like to go for these columns right here. Apparently there are no moves, so that's going to make it a little bit challenging. And there's a bunch of the same card. You see there's a couple nines, well, they're different color sevens, but we'll have to figure some out here. I like to play early cards as insurance. Looks like that's not going to happen. Oh, there's one right there, so we can play that later on. I'm going to save it anyway. The good news is this 10 we can play after we play that, and we can also play this ace of clubs, so that might get us out of some of the stuff. We're going to start with the 6. We will play the 8, and we'll move the 7, of course. Okay, that's a good card. I think there was an ace of hearts in there, I believe. Well, there was an ace of something in there. Maybe it was diamonds. We're going to target that the next time around if it was indeed an ace of hearts. There's an 8 of spades we'd like to get out as well. That would be important because there's a 7 that could go under there. Let's see, so ace of spades is going to be our insurance card. Let's see what the first card was. The first card was a jack. Okay. Ace of spades is our insurance. We could play the 5 here. Yeah, we're going to play the 5 here, and we'll come back and we will play that ace of clubs. And what was the other card? It was a 7. Oh, 7 of diamonds. Okay, can't play that yet. Well, I think we're going to play... There's 2 7s here. I think this 7 with a column is more valuable. 7 of diamonds is toward the middle to the back of the draw pile. There's a lot of cards under this pile, so we may be playing for that first. We'll see. Going to bring these cards down at the end, but you got to be careful. Sometimes they can have negative consequences, bring the lower cards down early, so we'll see how that goes. Alright, going to cycle through one more time. I think the ace, yeah, the ace is what we're going to play here. Ace of clubs. And then we'll come back and we'll play the ace of spades next time around. Yeah, actually, yeah, we'll play the ace of spades. Oh, that is our insurance card, is it not? Okay. Gonna have to be careful here. So ace of spades. This 10 will come down next time around. We're going to play, let's see, what can we play here? We're going to play this 8, and we'll move this 7 right here. 2 of spades is a big card. We can put that up to the foundation pile. King is not the card we want to see. We'd like to be able to, again, open up one of these columns. So we'll see how we goes here. So we need to find a black queen. That would make this our new insurance card. That would be really good. Unfortunately, that is a red queen. I think the 10 is going to be our first move. Yeah, 10 is going to be our first move here, I believe. Good news is we have 2 black 9s. We don't know which one's a better choice yet. We're going to look at both of them. We may not play either. That's a dead end. This way right here leads to ace of diamonds. That's good. A black queen, that's very good. That gives us this jack in play. That really opens up our chances of solving this. And the 7 of spades is good because it may open up the column. Well, I mean, it lets us move this 4 diamonds here anyway. 2 of diamonds, that's good. We can play this 3 of diamonds. Now we can play this 6. There's 2 7s. If you have 2 of the same card, you can always play that. You don't have to hold on to it. Here's where it gets a little tricky. We're going to move this 5 first. There's a 3 and a 2 that can be moved. There's a lot of pieces that can move, or cards that can be moved here. So maybe we'll get lucky and solve this. We'll see. There's a queen we can bring down. We can move this jack now. Yeah, this is going to be a little bit hectic here. Going to move a lot of stuff. Hopefully not mess anything up. I'm going to move this 3 clubs here. And this is where it got tricky now. If you see there's an 8 here, there's two queens, two black queens. I almost think that this queen right here may have some more value. But we're going to undo that move there. Oh no, we already had that. I got it mixed up with the red one. So I apologize. In that case, it won't matter. So we'll do that. And then, let's see, 2 goes here, 3 goes here. Good news is we can pull this 9. The question is, should it be this king? We don't know yet. We're going to play it. And there's a 10. So we can move this 9 here. So that's good. And that opens up that column. And now we can open up the spot for the king. What we're going to do is, if you notice, there's a 4 diamonds and a 4 hearts. You probably, if you guessed putting the 3 of clubs underneath the 4 hearts, you are correct. Then we move this up here. And then we put the 4 hearts over there. Now we have a slot open for a king. Should we get one here? Oh, there's one right there. So the question is, do we want? We would prefer, I guess, to play the red king if it is in here. Yeah, there's a red king right here. Because we want to open up this column right here. So we're going to play the queen. That's good. That'll get us another open column. I think we can come back to that king. If not, we'll figure out something. So ace goes up, 2 of clubs goes up. We're going to play the hearts up, and we're going to play the clubs up to the foundation pile as well. And we'll figure out some stuff. As I said, I'm going to be wary of putting this up here, so I'm going to hold off on that. We're going to see how this plays out. Really good again. This is our insurance card, and that means we can hold on to that. Good, we got the king we can play. We'll play that right now. And of course we can play the queen as well. We can bring down the 6 there. So we're in good shape. We're in good shape. We just got to get the 2 jacks down, and we'll uncover these last 2 columns here, and we should be able to get this solved as long as you don't play crazy. I think I'm going to bring this 4 of spades down for now. Let's see how that goes. So the 2 jacks are in the front. This is where it gets a little bit tricky here. We're going to only move 1 card, I believe. We'd like to get this 10 down. We want the 10 of spades down. So 10 of spades is now going to be the front card. Now we can move the rest of these cards here. The jack, and then of course we can get the 9 down. The 9 is very important in the sequence we had, because now we just move these 2 over, and we have solved the game. So, got it done there. And of course, that is going to wrap this up. I am signing out. If you want more tips in addition to this game, be sure to check out Solitaire Complete Tip Guide if you have not already. There's also a playlist called Solitaire Tips on this channel as well. Hopefully, you were able to learn a trick or two from this. And as always, thank you for watching, and good luck.